Oh, those are big ass Saigon.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we'll be making, well actually I recorded this experience at the office, but we made a Báhn Mí Bar. Essentially we did a potluck style for banh mi ingredients and put them all together for lunch. So it was a nice thing and I'm so happy my team got to do it because I genuinely am okay with sandwiches, not the favorite thing, but this Báhn Mí sandwich was so good. I'm so glad. Just watch guys, just watch. Guys, today we're gonna do Báhn Mí Bar. So here we have some head cheese and chopped ham pork. A lot of this is from Indo-French influence from when Vietnam was underneath the colonization from France, and the pate and French baguette are definitely direct influences. So in this Báhn Mí potluck style that we had, each person brought in a different item.
Cut into slice, arrange on a platter for a cold cut dish suitable for parties. This one's the head cheese. This is the head cheese. It's chewy and a nice meaty flavor. It's basically Asian version of charcuterie. Good. Ooh, it smells like pickled goodness. Ooh, I think I got fish sauce on my... Oh no.
French bread is always used in banh mi sandwiches, and today we decided to get some bread from Anderson's Bakery.
I'm the bread arranger.
The bread girl.
We also got some jalapenos and cucumbers for the aromatics that we prepped in the kitchen.
Alright guys, I'm gonna make my banh mi. Alright, I'm gonna do Japanese mayonnaise.
That's Japanese mayonnaise?
Can you tell us about the difference between American mayonnaise and Japanese mayonnaise?
Yes, Japanese mayonnaise is sweeter, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do a combo with pate and other pork meats.
We had someone purchase some pate from Chinatown. Last but not least, we had someone make ahead of time some pickled daikon and carrots.
And that's how you make a banh mi.
Oh, that looks so good.
Perfected with meat, the pate in between, the carrots, jalapeno, mayonnaise. That's beautiful.
No. What? 10 seconds, it's not gonna do shit. No, I like the cold. It's spreadable. Spreadable? Yeah. Get in here, man. Where's Leah? Crystal? Crystal's coming. I don't know where it lives. She doesn't eat pork. We've done it. Yeah. Go. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah. No. It's over. I think it's really good.
I don't know. Dang, Alex.
Yo, check my gram. I got a beauty show.
Show everyone. Look at this. Oh my god.
Awesome. That looks glorious. Yeah. Copyright Shkrko 2019.
Everything is so good.
No.
Look at this. Open-faced Báhn Mí sandwich.
Followers don't even know what the fuck Báhn Mí is.
Oh my god. Like, there's so much umami in here.
The owners are like, yeah. Try again after.
Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And comment below on what your favorite ingredient is to put in your banh mi sandwich. And if you haven't had a banh mi sandwich, comment and let me know if you tried this. See you guys next week.